Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot sauce at home for noodles. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 fresh chili peppers, like habaneros or serranos, depending on your desired heat level. Also, prepare 2 cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/4 cup of water. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's prepare and cook. Roughly chop your chili peppers and garlic cloves. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium heat, then add the chopped peppers and garlic. Sauté them for about 3 to 5 minutes until they soften slightly and become fragrant. This step helps to mellow some of the raw heat and develop deeper flavors. Be sure to ventilate your kitchen well. Now it's time to blend and adjust the flavor. Carefully pour the sautéed chili and garlic mixture into your blender. Add the 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1/4 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Blend everything until it reaches a smooth, consistent texture, which usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. Taste the sauce and adjust the salt, sugar, or vinegar to achieve your perfect balance of heat and tang. Finally, your homemade hot sauce is ready to enjoy. Drizzle it generously over your favorite noodles, stir-fries, or any dish that needs a kick. For storage, transfer any leftover sauce into an airtight container and keep it in the refrigerator. It should stay fresh for up to 2 to 3 weeks. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.